And some of you guys have tried it, and some of you guys, your interest was piqued. So I wanted to come in here and say, yes, my interest has been piqued as well. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And I want to say hello to all my newbies. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, I'm going to give you a hint. It's exactly how it sounds. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, maybe for the third. Honey, we do not keep tabs around here. We really don't. I just want all of my super subbies, and I want all of my newbies to come on in. Okay, so for today, I think y'all know what time it is. Just in case you haven't checked your calendars, because, you know, sometimes we don't check calendars around here. Surely you checked the title of this video. Honey, let me tell you, today is the day that we are checking in on my hair. We around here like to check in every 8 weeks because that's around the time that I actually relax my hair. I relax my hair every 8 weeks. So we come in here, we check in on what's going on, how everything is flowing and going. And then we pass the mic. We do a little updates amongst all of you, otherwise known as the collective. And then we give the benediction. We just get up on out of here. Okay? So without any further ado, let's commence to talking about the hair. First of all, product updates. Now, y'all know that I have my holy grails. I got my staples. I got my main zhuzhes. And none of that has changed. You guys know that I use Ultra Precise Relaxer. That's what I use. I normally use it in mild. I did pick up the Supreme because it's hard for me to get in person, okay, at the stores. I used to be able to get it at Sally's. Now I'm not able to really get that, do that no more. But when I was in the vicinity of one of the Sally's, I picked up the Supreme. It was the last box. And I told you guys that I was going to basically have it off, meaning the difference between a mild and Supreme relaxer is basically the activator. So what I did was I didn't use all of the activator in the Supreme. I basically used only half of it so that it would be the equivalent of a mild relaxer or the mild version. So that's what I did. No hiccups. I just relaxed my hair again. So this is the last of the Supreme. And in the meantime, I was able to order the mild relaxer. So I don't have to do any more concoctions or mixing or having or anything like that. But I just wanted to say, you know, using the Supreme, it wasn't a disaster, okay? All I had to do was use half the activator and my hair, it was pretty much the same. It pretty much came out the same and no disasters, okay? It wasn't a disaster, and it wasn't a disaster. So I'm here to tell you it wasn't a disaster. It came out quite nice. So that was the only change up that I had from last time. So I wanted to give y'all a little update. You know how we like to keep everybody abreast of what is going on up in this hair piece. Not that I'm wearing a hair piece, but you get what I'm saying. So with that being said, that's the last of the last. And I did re-up on my fruit teas, my Garnier fruit teas. You know, that's one of my staples. Everybody who's in the know knows that already. So I was running low on that, so I did re-up on that. I was able to order that in time. So that's pretty much it for the product updates. So now that we got the appetizers, you know, the little vittles, you know, the little bits in the little finger food. Now that we got that out of the way, now we're going to get to the main course. Honey, we're going to get right to the showing and showing of the flowing and the growing. So I am going to show you guys what I'm working with, where my hair is right now. Not so much as far as the length, but just to show you where we are with everything. And then we're going to turn around and we just going to give the benediction. So if everybody's ready, you ready? How about you? You ready over there? Yoo-hoo! You ready? All right, I think everybody's ready. So now that everybody is ready, let's get to it. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much the showing as far as the hair and the hair growing. And I think we're doing pretty well. You guys know, those who are initiated, you guys know that, my initial goal was mid-back, and it seems like possibly, maybe, perhaps we are getting closer to waist length. Now, again, that's not really my goal. I'm not in a rush. I'm not really concerned about getting to waist length, but I think we're getting closer. If your eyes are seeing what my eyes were seeing, then we are definitely getting closer to waist length. I'm just saying. Anyway, so we have that as well, but everything seems to be keeping up with everything else. My middle part, I always like to show that the middle section of my hair, because in the past that has been an issue as far as just thinning out and the thickness not being all the way through. So with that being said, we got thickness up in this piece all the way through. So I've been keeping on top of everything as far as the trimming and the scheduling and the products and the yada, yada, yada. So we are doing very well. We are definitely doing very well. So I done gone down my checklist and I done bumped my gums. So it is time for me to, that's enough about me. So now I'm going to turn it around and give y'all the mic, and y'all let me know what is going on in your hair life, because guess what? Guess what, y'all? You know what time it is? Guess what, honey? It is time for Raw time. Yes. Try to hide all of your excitement, but it is roll call time. It is time for y'all to basically jibber jabber, because I done jibber jabbered enough. So it is your time to open your mouth and let us know what is going on in your hair life. Is anything different? Those who have been seeking your holy grails, have you finally found them? Naturals, relaxed, curly, straight. Everybody who's got something to say, please let us know what is going on with your hair. Did you try something new? Did you get rid of something old? Give us all the deets, honey, because we are waiting with bated breath. We really are. So while you guys are coming down for the altar call, I just wanted to basically say that, I did a piece for Black History Month where I highlighted Briogeo products. Okay, now it was founded by Nancy Twine. And, we were getting chit-chatting in the comments, like we do sometimes. And I was pretty impressed by, just doing my research and so forth and so on as far as the products. And some of you guys have tried it. And some of you guys, your interest was piqued. So I wanted to come in here and say, yes, my interest has been piqued as well. Now, I'm not giving any promises because, I am clang. I am locked in. I am wrapped up, tied up in my holy grails. But perhaps my curiosity has gotten the best of me, and I may try, I don't know, may try one thing, perhaps two. Won't hurt anything. Maybe a little conditional here and there. That might be safe to do. But I will say that I was pretty impressed by not only her backstory, but also, again, the lineup of products that was available. So we shall see. We shall see. I might dip my toe into the Briogeo water, if you will. But I was pretty impressed. So there's that. Okay, so I think we done did it all. We went down the list. We had the finger food, we had the main course, and now it's time for us to pay the bill and get up out of here. What do you think? I think we should, honey. And that's what we're about to do. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need y'all to come on back because we are coming back with more stuff and more stuff to talk about. So you got to come back for that. So you already know it's going to be the same Dolce It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.